I was visiting a science fair some years ago, and I saw a man with his 8-year-old son, and they were looking at a science poster. The kid asked his father what was it about, and the father shook his head and said, it's science stuff, you're too young for that, you cannot understand that. And I remember I thought, why? Why do we think that a child cannot understand that? NOI Techpark is an innovation district in South Tyrol, Italy. Here, more than 40 companies, 33 startups, research institutes and university faculties come together to grow. Our main job is to bring companies and research closer to one another and to foster technology transfer. It's important for us that the society, the South Tyrolian society, understands what's happening here and that they feel part of it, even children. We believe that there's nothing a child cannot understand if you explain it in the right way. Of course, we need to use proper words and choose the right format. Children are willing to learn and to understand, and they have this innate curiosity, and why don't we cultivate it? With miniNOI, we get experts from our NOI community on board, and we develop with them hands-on laboratories for children and young people from 8 to 18 years old. Our goal is to explain them what's happening here in NOI Techpark, what our researchers, companies and startups are working on, and why. In these 3 years, we met more than 3,000 young people. We played with them with robots and tablets, but also with soil, plants, food. We entered in the science labs and discovered what the researchers do. And we discovered too that a researcher doesn't look like Einstein necessarily, but that a researcher can be young. It's important that children understand that science can be part of their everyday life. That's what miniNOI is about.